Hello students, welcome to SP classes. Let's continue our next exercise, that is exercise 1.4. This is very important. This is very important according to NTC, according to our CBSE level of examination also. This is important in this. Before going this, what we contains in our according to numbers decimal expansion, we are having two classification of real numbers. Real numbers classified as two types. That is, one is rational number, another one is irrational number. In this rational number, again we are having two types, that is terminating and another one is non-terminating but repeating. In this irrational number, we are having only one type, that is non-terminating, non-repeating. It's having non-terminating and non-repeating, no repeats and no terminates in this. Okay, in this terminating, for this, let's see, for example, in our rational numbers we are having, that is p by, we know that p by q, where q is not equal to 0, like this type we know. For this p by q only, in our terminating point we are taking, they have given, and we have to take as p by 2a into 5b. Lowest form of these two, any number, any rational number, they may be given, their denominator must be in the 2 into 5 form, and 2 raised to a and 5 raised to b. It may be any number, a and b contains any form. Last lowest form we have to see. And in this now repeating means 2.3333, like this type we want 2.3 bar, like this type we are getting in this. Okay, now let's see our first question, that is, in this we are having 10 main different questions. In first main question we are having 10 bits, that is, without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So in these questions, what we have to do, without doing long division method, we have to solve this one. From this, let's see our first one, that is 13 by 3125. See, for this 13 by 3125, this take this 3125 as by with 5 we can cancel this one, 5 6 are 5 2 are 5 5 are, again 5 1 are 5 2 are 5 5 are, again 5 2 are 5 5 are, again it will be for 5 5 are. So we got 5 to the power 5. Okay, now let's put this one as in our terminating form, that is, we may put it as 13 by 3125 is equal to 13 by 2 raised to 0, because we are having only one term in this. If we are not having any term means the another term we can take as 2 raised to 0, 5 raised to 0, like this type. But we must and should have 2 into 5 like this type form, and 5 raised to 5. So this is terminating. Now in this way, same, let's see our second one, that is 17 by 8. For this 17 by 2 to the power 3 we are taking, because 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 we can do na. So for this again 17 by 2 to the power 3 and 5 to the power 0. Again it's also terminating. I hope you all are understanding, and it's very easy method to solve this. And our third one is 64 divided by 455. For this 455, how we can solve? Again we can take like this type LCM type method. For s is equal 5 is equal to 5 9s are 5 1s are. Again take 7 7 1s are 7 3s are. Again take 13, that is 13 1s are only we are getting. From this, see how we can write this one. 64 divided by 455 is equal to 64 divided by 5 into 7 into 13. See, we are not having two term, but in the place of two term we can take 2 to the power 0. But in this we are having two more extra terms. We should not have in this way. So by seeing this, we can automatically write as it's not equal to 2 to the power a and 5 to the power b. So it is non-terminating, but repeating. Okay. Now let's see our fourth one. That is fourth one. 23 raised to 2 to the power 3 5 square. In this, by seeing this only, automatically we can tell this one, what we can tell this one? We can write this one as directly terminating, na? Because it is in the form of 2 to the power a and 2 to the power 5 to the power b. So 23 divided by 2 to the power a means 3, 5 to the power square. So again it is automatically we can write it as terminating. Next, let's see our fifth one. That is this is our sixth question. I solved it. I am sorry, I got confused in question. So let's see our fourth one now. That is 15 by 1600. For this 1600, how we can solve now? See, 15 by 1600, we can cancel this one, na? How we can cancel? 5 3s are 5 3s are 5 2s are 0. So 3 by 320 is there. For this 320, 3 by 64 into 5. Once do the multiplication, you are getting this or not, you can understand. So again for this 64 and 5, 3 by 2 to the power, how many times 64 we are getting? 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 1. Okay, for this again we got 3 by 2 to the power a and 5 to the power. So it is obviously terminating.